Okay, and I'm going to send you, here's an example video slider in the page. I'm going to just move the page from here. I'm going to put it up into the root, update it, just because if you're going to use it multiple times, I thought you may be using it in the main folder. Okay, so what you can do, I'm going to send you a zip file. It's going to have this page in it, and then it's also going to have so the video page, just put it in the root folder with your index page, and it's also going to contain the library folder. Just drop it in. It's going to have a sliders and a video slider. As you don't have one in your site right now, it should just pop it in there without overwriting anything. Okay, that's number one. You had a question about your images not resizing, so let's just go and flip this into you would need to add the class of image responsive. So if your image is larger than the width of a mobile device or wherever you want to see it, typically if it's bigger than say 300 pixels, right, and it needs to be resized, so basically any image that needs to be resized for your phone, you'll need to add a class of image img responsive. Okay, and you can do this through the edit quick tag editor. So pull left and you can just type in img responsive space. Okay, so img responsive, and then make sure there's a space between the other class, right? Because many images already have a class in them, and if they don't, you'll have to add a class to it. Okay, so let's just say, for example, I have an image here and it doesn't have a class already because I just dragged and dropped it onto the page. I'm going to see if I can find something that's really big. No, it's not going to be very big. This should be a fairly good size image. Oops. Looks like I was dragging on the wrong spot there. So now you got a bigger image here, and this is where you would find the image tag, and you're going to set class, and then you can just scroll on down to, oops, I didn't want to do that. All right, you can go image. My video seems to be slowing everything down here. All right, image, right click, set class, and then you can scroll down and find the img responsive. But there's a lot of classes in Bootstrap, as you can see by going through this. Most of these are Bootstrap classes. It could take you a while, so it's actually easier to just do a quick tag editor like this here, and then you can right after the img just type space class. You see how class shows up here? Hit enter and then type img and then hyphen and then r, and image responsive automatically pops up. So that's a bit of a faster or easier way to do it as well. So there's a couple of ways to do it.